Love, love, love is seen in many ways in the minds of men. Shallow appreciation, clouds of vision. Love is not a feeling or emotion expressed by you or me. Love is a living person, the God of all glory, the essence of love, the essence of love, the traveling triune God, the essence of love, the essence of love, the installed triune God. Christ resurrected, life-giving Spirit, inscribing, permeating, saturating our hearts. Oh, the glorious triune God, the essence of love, the essence of love, the essence of love, the resurrected Christ, the essence of love, the essence of love, the process triune God. Love is seen in many ways in the minds of men. Shallow appreciation, clouds of vision. Love is not a feeling or emotion expressed by you or me. Love is a living person, the God of all glory, the essence of love, the essence of love, the resurrected Christ, the essence of love, the essence of love, the process triune God.